Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set price alerts in BitMart. Keeping track of your cryptocurrency price movements is crucial for any trader or investor. BitMart makes it easy to stay updated by letting you set price alerts directly in the app or the web platform. First of all, launch open the BitMart app on your device or go to BitMart website and log in with your account's credentials. From the home page of BitMart, click on the Markets at the bottom of the screen, and once you're inside your Markets tab, search for the coins or the token you want to track in the search bar. After you get to this page, after selecting a cryptocurrency, look for the Alert button at the bottom left corner with a small bell icon in it. Tap on that, and then where it says Price Reaches, you can select the type. For example, if you want to enter the target price on which you want to receive an alert, make sure to tap on Price Reaches, and then in the next field, go ahead and set a target price at which you want to receive an alert. Once you are done, select the frequency of the price alert, whether you want it to be alerted only once or repeatedly, and click on Create Alert. But make sure that you've enabled notification in the system setting. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and turn on notification for BitMart application on your smartphone. Once you allow the notification, you'll then be able to see the Create Alert button activated. Tap on that and you have successfully created a price alert on BitMart. Now you'll receive a notification once the market price reaches your target. You can view, edit, or delete the alerts from the price alert section in your profile or trading page. So that is how you can easily enable price alert in BitMart in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.